Hi guys, so I wanted to show you guys another makeup eye trick using the palette one from Younique. So let's go ahead and just get started. This is going to be the finished look. So what I did first is I just took a white eye pencil and I put it on my lid, and so now I'm just going to kind of blend it in a little bit, make it just slightly more even, and this is going to make the colors really pop. Okay, so once it's blended in to how you like it, you can go ahead and get started. So the first color I'm going to use is Brassy, and I'm just using the Younique brush, angle shadows and sponge. And then you're just going to kind of put it on your lid, making sure that you leave the bottom part close to your eyelashes white. So I'm just going to kind of put that all over the lid. And you can make it as dark or as light as you want it. It's up to you. Alright, and once you have an even coat of that, I'm going to now use Swanky. And I'm just going to get a little bit on my brush, and I'm going to start a little bit on the inner corner of the eyelid and kind of blend it in. And then I'm also going to do some on the outside edge here and blend it in. Okay, lastly, I'm going to use a little bit of this dark brown Zealous, and I'm just going to put this on the very outer edge. Okay, and then you can always, I find it easier to kind of blend with my finger, just so you don't have a huge block of color. You want to kind of smooth the edges a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to take the sponge part and I'm going to use Sincere. It's just a light kind of shimmery color, and I'm going to put it right on top where it kind of had the dark brown, just to blend it in a little bit more. And then lastly, I'm going to use that same color, Sincere, and I'm just going to kind of put it on that white that we had left earlier from the pencil, just to add a little bit of shimmer. Okay, and then lastly, you just want to put on the mascara. I'm using Younique's Fiber Lash 3D mascara, and then I line the inside of my eye with the white pencil again, as you can tell, and then I put just a little bit of black, and I like to kind of blend it and smudge it a little bit so it's not so dark.
Melanie?
Okay, so I've added the mascara, and like I said, I added the white line at the bottom on my waterline, and then I've done just a little bit of black, and I've just smudged it underneath, and then just a coat of mascara on the bottom lashes. And as you can see, you can make it glamorous, or this can just be an everyday look. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys have anything that you'd like to see, let me know. Thanks, bye.